Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Yi Chu. I'm a research fellow at the University of York. We are the Communications Technology Research Group, and we are one of the 4 research pillars of the university's new Institute for Safe Autonomy. Within ISA, we have the facilities for robotics, UAV, and IoT testing environments, as well as the 5G private networks developed by the many project. Which could be deployed on a low altitude tethered helicopter. We also have the facilities for testing underwater acoustic communication systems. We have the expertise in physical air design, signal processing, RAN and O-RAN architecture design, machine learning for telecommunications, communications for challenging environments, as well as the cell-free massive MIMO. We were a partner of the MANI project, which was one of the projects funded by the 5G Testbed and Trials program. We designed and implemented rapidly deployable terrestrial and aerial networks. We conducted multiple field trials, delivering 5G coverage from the back of a Land Rover and also a low altitude tethered helicopter via satellite backhaul in the middle of nowhere. We mainly focused on the 2 use cases, including mountain rescue and outdoor rural events. We are also a partner of the FRANC project, 5G de-evolution, led by ADVA AdTran. The project looks at developing a DU for the O-RAN network. York will be mainly dealing with the system level simulation and to evaluate how the distributed massive MIMO increases the capacity density. At the moment, York is leading the open network project, ORAN. The project is looking at developing neutral host ORAN network. The project is going to focus on all the disaggregated ORAN components as well as the RIC. One of the work packages will be looking at physical layer disaggregation and the frontal compression. We will be developing system level simulations as well as analytical tools for evaluate how the cell-free massive MIMO boosts the capacity density. Another work package will look at the RIC and its components. That's where the machine learning and the AI happens to the X and R apps. We will be doing lab-based trials as well as large-scale trials at later stage of the project using the facilities at AQL and BT. Right, what can we do in the future? There's an ongoing project, York Central, which could be a perfect use case for HDD products. The project is converting 45 hectares of underused land into 2,500 new homes, over 1 million square feet of offices, retail, and leisure space. The site already covers population hotspots such as York Railway Station and York Railway Museum. Cell-free massive MIMO could be a highly promising technology for such a high demanding use case. We can also extend our existing work at the RIC to cover heterogeneous networks, including various forms of non-terrestrial networks, given our specific expertise on delivering trials, including high altitude platforms, low altitude helicopter platforms, satellite backhauling, free space optical networks, and underwater acoustic networks. We can also extend the capability of RIC to cover cell-free massive MIMO management, which has the work ongoing in one EPSRC project and the URAN project. We can also exploit our ongoing work at the EPSRC ITRIS project, which looks at AI and machine learning for energy reduction and optimization. And if anyone's interested in collaboration, just let us know. Our details are on the first slide. Thank you.